You need to see this. I found an AI website that allows us to generate videos for free. Watch this.
I'm pregnant. You should have told me earlier. I was afraid.
Open your browser and type Arena AI because that's the name of the AI website. Once you type Arena AI, this is what it's going to show. You're going to click on this first one that is showing Arena AI. Then it will open into this interface. You are going to sign in. Once you sign in, just explore the various icons like I did here. Look at the first icon. I explored this for you guys to see what it is. The first icon, look at it. It's a code. There's nothing there. You tap on the second one, it's search that is there. You tap on the third one. Look at what it's showing. That one is for image if you want to create image with the app. Then if you tap on the last icon, it's for video if you want to create video with the app. Okay, now if you tap on that other sign, that's where you add your reference image, your reference video. Okay, now if you tap on this icon up, it will show you this. Tap on leaderboard, it will show you the various AI models that these websites have. It will show you the services that they are also providing. Look at it, has Claude, ChatGPT, it has VO, it has Gemini, it has nanobabana, it has Kai, it has Grok AI, it even has the latest Grok 4.3. as you can see. It has SEEDANCE. There's no AI model this app does not have. Then you can see it does text to video, it does image to video, it does text to image, it does image edit, it does lip sync, it does a lot of services. Now we're going to be using image to video. Okay, I've already signed in. As you can see, we're going to be creating image to video. Now we're going to tap on this last icon that I highlighted. You're going to see video. Once it shows video, tap on this icon to add the reference image. That's the image we're going to be converting to video. You can choose from your photo library, take photo or file. So I choose the image I want to convert to video. So then you paste your prompt. Okay, once you paste your prompt, you're going to tap on this arrow to generate the video, and in less than a minute your video would get generated. And one thing about this app is that it generates 2 videos for you. As you can see, it generates 2 videos, assistant A and assistant B. So once it's finished generating the 2 videos, it's now left for you to choose the one you like, or you choose both. Okay, as you can see, you can choose A or you choose B. A is better, B is better. Both are good, both are bad. If they are bad, you re-edit it again. Okay, now once your video is ready, this is what it's going to show. As you can see, this is assistant A. Let's watch it. Then
I'm pregnant. Pick the one we like. You should have told me earlier. I was afraid.
After watching both videos and you're satisfied, you pick the one you like, whether it's A or B. Okay, once you are done, you see this arrow that is facing down. You're going to tap on that arrow to download it into your phone. Once you tap on that arrow, you're going to see download or save to files. Okay, then you download it into your phone. So it's just as easy as this. This is a very beautiful app. The only downside to this app is that you can create only one video.
You should have told me earlier.
Email,
I was afraid.
So after creating one video with one email, you switch out of the email, log into another email, create another video. Okay, so that's how this app works. Now if you have any question, do well to drop for me in the comments and I would answer. See you in our next tutorial class. I love you all. Cheers.
Pregnant. You should have told me earlier. I was afraid.